So this is the question. A soil has a porosity of 40%, specific gravity of soil solids 2.65, and the water content of soil is 12%. Only this much data is given in this question. I have written it in symbolic form, symbolic values. Eta is equal to 40%, G is equal to 2.65, and W, water content, 12%, or it is 0.12, and this eta porosity is 0.4. So we are going to find out what is the amount of water to be required to be added to 100 meter cube of soil for making it completely saturated. So our concern is to find out that how much volume of air is present in the given soil. If we will replace that volume of air with volume of water, then our soil will become fully saturated. So our main concern is to find out all these parameters: volume of air, what is the volume of air present in this given soil, what is the volume of water in this soil, and what is the volume of soil itself. Also we will calculate mass of water and mass of soil just to find out volume, because we know volume is calculated easily from density, because density is mass by volume. So to find out the volume of density, to find out the volume of all these things, we require the value of masses. If we have the value of masses in our hand, then it is very easy to find out the volumes from density calculation. So let us start the problem. Because I am not given with any of these values, I am taking volume of soil as 1. Let us take the volume of soil is 1 meter cube. So what is the remaining values to be calculated? One is mass of water, another is mass of soil, volume of water, and volume of air. All these things I need to calculate, because mass of air has negligible value. I am not taking mass of air. So the remaining things will be calculated now. Let us first calculate the masses first, mass of soil and mass of water. So I'm now finding the mass of soil. To find out the mass of soil, because I'm already assuming volume of soil is 1 meter cube. So I'm going to find out the mass from density formula. Density of soil is equal to mass of soil by mass of volume, volume of soil. So because volume of soil is 1, so mass of soil is equal to rho s into Vs, density of soil into volume of soil. And now what is the value of density of soil? I have a relation of specific gravity with densities. Specific gravity is equal to gamma s by gamma w, that is unit weight of soil by unit weight of water. And I know unit weight and densities are related with the by only specific acceleration due to gravity. So gamma is equal to rho g. I have already clarified it, how gamma is equal to rho g. So above the gamma s will become rho s into g, and below gamma w will become rho w into g. Both the g are cancelled out. So the formula has changed to rho s by rho w. From this relation, rho s is equal to rho w into g. Now I am going to replace this rho s in ms formula. I am going to write rho s as rho w into g, and vs I have written it as it is, and vs I have assumed as 1 meter cube. So I am replacing vs with 1, and the formula is now ms is equal to rho w into g. Rho w is 1000 in kg per meter cube unit, and g is given as 2.65. so ms has been calculated as 2650 kg. Now the remaining mass to be found out is the mass of water, because I have already calculated the mass of soil and I am given with water content. So what is the formula by which mass of water, mass of soil, and water content are related? It is the formula of water content. Water content W is equal to mass of water by mass of soil, or water content has also a formula of W by Ws, weight of water by weight of soil. So in any manner we can take the formula of water content. You can take weight as well as mass. But because we are given with masses, or we are going to find out masses, so I am taking the mass formula, and W is equal to mW by ms. So mW is equal to W into ms, with water content into mass of soil. I have already calculated mass of soil as 2650, and the water content is given in the question as a 0.12. So I am just putting the values in the formula, and I have got the answer as 318 kg. So mass of water and mass of soil are calculated. Now I am going to find out the volumes. Already I have assumed the volume of soil, it is 1. So I will now find out the volume of water and volume of air. So mass of water has been calculated, and volume of water has will be calculated very simply from the formula of density rho W. Density of water is equal to mass of water by volume of water, and volume of water will be mass of water by density of water, mW by rho W. mW is has been calculated 318 kg. So I am putting the value of mW as 318 kg, and rho W is 1000 kg per meter cube. So volume of water has been calculated as 0.318 meter cube. Now the only concern it is towards the volume of air calculation. To calculate the volume of air, I will take the volume of void. Volume of total void is equal to volume of water plus volume of air, because void comprises of both air and water, and its volume is a summation of volume of water and volume of air. I have already calculated the volume of water. The remaining thing which I am going to calculate is volume of air. For that I need volume of void first. Volume of void has a relation with void ratio, and it is E is equal to BB by BS. Void ratio is equal to volume of void by volume of soil. Volume of soil has been assumed as 1. If I am able to find the value of E, then simply from this formula I will easily find out the value of BV. How can I find the value of E now? See, the question has given me the value of porosity. I am not taking the formula of porosity, because porosity has also the formula of VB by V, but here the V is total V. Again, total volume also comprises of VV. Total volume is volume of soil plus volume of void. Again, I am not knowing the value of VV, so how can I put the total volume here? So I am unable to find out the value of volume of void from porosity. So I am changing this porosity to void ratio, because the void ratio has the formula or has the parameters VB and VS only, and I know the value of VS is 1, which is assumed, and easily I can find out the value of VV here. So I am taking the formula of E, and E is VB by VS. Because porosity has been given, I am changing the I'm just calculating E from porosity. I have a very famous relation between E and N, void ratio and porosity, and that relation is E is equal to N by 1 minus N. So easily I can convert the value of porosity to void ratio. So porosity has been given as 40% in the question, so I have put N as 0.4 by 1 minus 0.4. From this I have calculated E is equal to 0.667. E is equal to VB by VS. So from this equation, VB is equal to E into VS, void ratio into volume of soil. So now void ratio E has been calculated as 0.667, VS has been assumed as 1. So I have found volume of void as 0.667 meter cube. So now simply I will find the volume of air from total volume of void. Volume of void is 0.667. Volume of water has been calculated as 0.318. So by subtracting the volume of water from volume of void, volume of air has been found to be 0.349 meter cube. Now total volume is volume of soil plus volume of void. Total volume, to find out the total volume, I am adding volume of soil as 1 and volume of void, because 1 meter cube of volume of soil has a volume of void of 0.349 meter cube. So I am just putting the value of volume of void as 0.667 volume of soil is 1. So adding this value, I have calculated total void as 1.667 meter cube. So 1.667 meter cube of soil requires how much volume of water to be added for making the soil fully saturated? It is 0.349 meter cube. This volume of soil has a volume of air of 0.349 meter cube. This volume of soil has a volume of air of 0.349 meter cube. If I will replace this volume of air with water, then this soil will be fully saturated, and that is our prime consideration in this question. So the question is asking about the amount of water to be added to this soil for making it fully saturated. So this is the answer, because this soil because air of 0.349 meter cube is occupying the volume in soil, and if I am going to replace if I will replace this volume with water, then the soil, the given soil will become fully saturated. So 1.667 meter cube of soil requires 0.349 meter cube of water for being completely saturated. So what is the amount of water required to be added to 100 meter cube of soil? So 100 meter cube of soil will require 0.349 by 1.667 into 100, that equal to 20.94 meter cube of water for making it fully saturated. This is my answer.